Hi everyone, Thomas here with Sonoma Hot Tubs and Pool Supplies, wanting to um, discuss further about some chemical options, specifically minerals on the left, enzymes in the middle, and some nice salts here on the right. So we'll start here with the minerals. This is a frog system called At Ease. So the box on the bottom here, the blue part is a mineral cartridge that lasts 4 months. The silver part on the bottom of that ball is the chlorine dispenser that lasts 30 days. So that's why the box on the top here has a 3-pack of chlorine. So at the end of 4 months, you will replace both boxes. And so this is a mineral and chlorine system. The next one will be the mineral stick. You just put one of these mineral sticks inside of the filter, and after 3 or 4 months you will replace that stick. And the next one here, and this is the one I think is the best one, is the Vision cartridge from Dimension 1 Spas. It lasts 6 months, so there's a lot more silver, copper, and zinc in theirs than other people's, and this one sits on top of their filter. If you don't have a Dimension 1, then you may want to put this thing in the filter basket. So great design, and it tells you when it was installed and when to remove it in 6 months. The next group of products, these are seaweed based enzymes. One is a penetrating, basically plumbing cleanser. You would put in the water for 5 days. I don't particularly like waiting 5 days to clean all my plumbing, so I'm not a huge fan of that product. But if you have the time and you don't mind using just this natural product to clean out your plumbing, then this is a great option. The next one, the water treatment and conditioner, is kind of the foundation of the 3 products. You would use a half a bottle to a full bottle of this seaweed-based enzyme with lanolin in it, and it has some special properties to it where it seems to take the let's call it the food source for bacteria and make it collect into the filter and not in the bather water. And people have reported that they use very little to no chlorine with this, but you know, as a hot tub dealer, we're not allowed to tell you that you don't need to use an EPA approved sanitizer like chlorine or bromine, but I can tell you that some customers will use this specific product and nothing else. So after about 3 months or so, you drain the water, you refill it again. And then the other product, here's their filter soak, again a seaweed based enzyme. I really like this one because you're going to use 4 capfuls and you're going to put that into a 5-gallon bucket of water and then soak your filter overnight, and then it helps to get out all the oils and lotions, break that down. So this bottle will go a long way for cleaning your filters every few months. And the last products here, these are salts. So, you know, there's a lot of salt generators out there. They're really mislabeled. They should be called chlorine generators, but of course that may have a negative effect for some people. But that's what they're doing. They're taking sodium chloride, they're breaking apart the molecules so that you have sodium, which has its benefits of softening the water. And then the other side of it is it's making chlorine, sodium chloride. And so it's always producing chlorine. These salts are different. There's 3 formulas here. There's a sport formula, there's a skin formula, and there is a joint formula. So whatever ails you or whatever type of person you are, one of these 3 salt products is going to be fantastic for your muscles and joints. So there's much more in these salts than just sodium chloride. So I would highly recommend a bag of these salts, and they can last up to 90 days. and then at that point you may want to drain the water and refill again. And again, some people have reported only using these salts and nothing else. I, of course, cannot recommend that to you. I have to tell you to use an EPA-approved sanitizer of chlorine or bromine. But if you are sensitive to those chemicals, chlorine or bromine, then the mineral choices, enzymes, and salt choices here may be a great option for you to explore. Thanks again for tuning in to Sonoma Hot Tubs and Pool Supplies, and enjoy your hot tubbing.